I had a doctor appointment yesterday. Mind you, I have been doing so well with watching what I eat, just watching what I put in my body. I even changed the water that I've been drinking. Apparently, there's certain kinds of waters that are more ghetto than others, and I changed the water that I've been drinking. I'm going to have to go back on the CPAP machine because apparently just changing my diet and lifestyle doesn't change genetics, or it doesn't just change how my body is configured. I am tired. I am tired of meal prepping. I'm tired of working out. I'm tired of taking a shot every single week. I'm tired of getting up and taking blood pressure medicine. I'm tired of taking a bunch of vitamins. I'm tired of getting on the Stairmaster and lasting 40 seconds because I can't last any longer than that. I am just tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm trying to look and see what is the end game here. I change everything, but it seems like I'm still just as unhealthy as I was when I was fat. I should have stayed 210 pounds. I should have stayed 210 pounds if this is going to be like this. I'm just mentally tired. I'm mentally tired of the runaround. I'm mentally tired of having to wake up and figure out what to eat. I'm tired of reading labels. I'm tired of Googling meal plans. I'm tired of going to a nutritionist. I'm tired of everything. My God, I'm tired of waking up and trying to figure out what to put on for the gym. I'm just gonna go naked. I don't care. They can evict me. I'm going to the gym naked. I'm just so tired. I'm tired. I'm trying to figure out, is any of this worth it? You put so much effort into your health and trying to save your life, because this is what it is. You're saving your life. I'm looking back and I'm thinking, my God, at least when I was fat and happy, I was happy. My God, I was happy. I was in a pain a little bit. My chest hurt. I couldn't walk too far. But good God, I was fat and happy. I went grocery shopping today. I normally plan what I'm going to get from the grocery store. And I try to stick to certain aisles. I bought ice cream. It's still in there. Normally, by the time I get ice cream home, I'm digging in it, getting a scoop. It's still in there because I'm tired. I'm just tired, and I'm wondering, is any of this worth it? Is it worth me getting up every single day, going to the gym, watching what I eat, cutting back? Oh, and then not to mention being positive about it, being happy, as though I'm loving it. Meanwhile, I am doing mental gymnastics, trying to figure out what to eat and what exercises to do. I am mentally and emotionally tired. It's not even physical, because physically I'm fine. But it's mental. I am mentally tired. And then I ask myself, is any of this worth it? Is it worth the hoops that I'm jumping through just to stay under a certain weight? Just to not have a high A1C, not to get diabetes? But the health issues aside, I don't want to look 5 years from now and think, man, all I had to do was stick to it. All I had to do was stick with it, and I didn't. And then I'm mad at myself. I'm doing this for the future bad bitch that I know I'm going to be. Future bad bitch, you need to look back at this, because you know what? We're struggling right now. I'm doing this for you, sis. Because I'm looking back 5 years. This is literally for you. Because at 36, this is for you. This is for us. This is for us. 5 years. This is for us. So this has no choice but to work. Failure is not an option. If I fail, I die. I get sick. I get diabetes. Yeah, I gotta work a lot harder than other people. That's life. That's genetics. It sucks. But me from 5 years from now, she's gonna at least know we tried. But yeah, some days it sucks. Some days I get out of bed and I don't want to go to the gym. I don't want to eat right. I just want to, eat pizza. And sometimes I do, because I'm human. When I look back, this will all be worth it. Hopefully when I look back, I'll thank myself. I'll be proud of myself. I'll be finally glad I stuck to something, because I don't really stick to much. But this, I gotta stick to. Hopefully in 5 years from now, I'll be proud of myself. I say all that to say, it sucks. But think of you 5, 10, 15 years from now. Those of you with kids, you're here for your kids. You're doing this for your kids. I know it sucks. I know it sucks waking up, trying to figure out, what to eat, putting everything together. We have a mission and failure is not an option. We're in this journey all together until mission accomplished. We have to be able to look back and say, at least I tried. I did my best. We're going to knock it out of the park. Now, I say all that to say after my very ugly crying moment, remember your why. Every day I wake up and I remember my why. I remember why I'm doing this. I'm remembering why I'm trying to get healthy. Whether your why is you're doing it for yourself, you're doing it for your kids, you're doing it for your family, you're doing it just so you have a better quality of life. Remember your why. That's the only thing that's going to keep us going. Losing weight is not easy. It sucks. If it were easy, we would all be skinny. There would be nobody overweight if it was honestly that easy. Sometimes you got to put a little effort into things that you want in life. I know that's for some of us, it's harder than others. I know for me, it is crazy hard. It's crazy hard when you have work, you have family, you have other priorities. But you know what? All I know is now I am my main priority, because I can't fill somebody else's cup if mine is empty. If I am not taking care of myself, if I'm not feeling like my best self, if I'm not doing my best, I can't help somebody else. Nor can I sit here every single week and say, hey, you guys, this is what you should do. If I'm not doing it myself, or if I'm not feeling my best, or if I'm not doing the best that I can do. 10, 15 years from now, when I am 50, I'm going to look back and I'm going to be in the best shape of my life. Better than when I was in my teens, better than when I was in my 20s, because I'm putting in the work now. And I understand it sucks. It does. Yes, it sucks right now. But if, like I said, if it was easy, everybody would be a size 6 and everybody would be a dime piece. But no, I'm going to put in that work, and I am thankful that I have the opportunity to put in that work. It sucks that I have to go back on the CPAP machine. It sucks that I am still taking blood pressure medicine. Mind you, I was taking 3 pills a day. I'm down to 1. Small wins, and I'm proud of myself for that. I'm proud of my body for that. But at the same time, I'm remembering my why. My why is to completely be off medication, be my best self. My 30s are going to be my best years. It is what it is. My later 30s, early 40s, oh baby, this is like me starting over. This is me. I'm a newborn right now, okay? This is me starting life over. And it's only going to get better from here. So, y'all, thanks for coming to my TED Talk, my crying TED Talk, but I had to get that off my chest.